Okay, so I'm going over applications of our Wavepacket code. So one application for the infinite or finite box, as the wave packet travels along the horizontal axis, it'll start to bounce between, it'll start to kind of like bounce in between the boundaries of the box or the dimensions of it, which is, you can kind of see here as it's kind of contained within the dimensions of the box. But still, there's a little bit of potential energy that's able to escape these boundaries because the higher the momentum is, the more energy that you'll have to overcome these boundaries. And this kind of applies to both the box and the barrier as well. As far as like how this is useful for like chemistry, it's really more to help model complex physical systems, such as like movement of electrons or energy of electrons through complex like polymers and other things like that. For the barrier, as the wave packet will travel along the axis, it will stop at that barrier part right there, and kind of reflect backwards in the opposite direction, as you can kind of see here in the density graph, where it around here is where it kind of just reflects in the opposite direction. And again, as you can see, a little bit was able to make it through past the barrier because it had a high enough energy level. And then this is useful in chemistry, as I think we've mentioned previously, for activation energy. It can help us figure out what we need to overcome that energy barrier to get a reaction going. The harmonic oscillator, it moves a bit differently because as it moves along the horizontal axis, the center of the wave packet travels in the shape of this parabola highlighted in green, and that can kind of be seen in this graph here as it kind of moves back and forth. And this kind of applies to chemistry for molecular vibration in diatomic molecules.
Okay, yeah, let's thank Joe for convening a lot of different information in a short time. Anyone wants to please him with a question? Or it was so crystal clear that the only way we can do is to applaud him once again. Okay, let's do. Thanks.